How to sign in Toyota Visa card for payment. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through the step-by-step process of signing into your Toyota Visa card account. Whether you are a new card holder or looking to access your account online for the first time, we've got you covered. So let's dive right into it and get you logged in effortlessly to manage your Toyota Visa card. Firstly, open your default web browser in your device and then search for Toyota Visa card login in the search bar. Tap on the link that says Toyota Rewards Visa from the list of results. Then you'll be taken to the home page of Toyota Visa card. On the top right side of the screen, you'll find a sign in button. Tap on it, you'll be taken to the sign in page. In the sign in page, enter your username in the username section and enter your password in the password field. Check right on Remember Me checkbox and tap on sign in button. You can tap on forgot your username/password if you want to restore your username or password. And in this way, you'll be able to log into your Toyota Visa card.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.